Now it's time to make papier mache clay. It will be applied to the lampshade in layers and will make it stronger and give it a nice texture. We will need half a cup of wet toilet paper. To measure half a cup, first soak paper in water, then place it in the cup and press it down firmly. Then place paper back to the water and stir until it breaks down into pulp. Toilet paper is usually very soft and will break down quite easily. You can see on the video how it turns into pulp. When it's done, drain water through a strainer. And then rinse paper pulp to remove any excess water, but don't make it too dry. This is how it should look like. Paper is moist, breaks down easily, but the water is not dripping. Next ingredient is wood glue. We will also need half a cup of it. And I will be using 2/3 of a cup of modeling gypsum or plaster of Paris. You can also use white cement in this mixture instead of gypsum. First add wood glue to the paper pulp, mix it very well, and later I will be slowly adding gypsum to the mixture. I'm mixing it manually, but it's also possible to use mixer to speed up the process. And this is the right consistency of the clay. As soon as the clay is ready, apply it to the gypsum coated textile.